Mentioned like there's like big pop moments. I wrote an email about this, but a way to have like a huge pop moment, especially when you're starting off with like a new client or just like for yourself, or maybe it's your own list or something, and you want to like just see like get like a little shot of dopamine, something you could like share with them, especially to like make them feel good if it's like a small like short-term trial thing. Is a reply email as your first email. Kind of show that, and then, make it to where it's gonna get a lot of replies, like say something, be a little shocking, put a little fire under it if you can. But, we did that with, one of our better clients now, and they sell something that, or really get those big pops. So what I did is that, that test email, that reply email, we got, I think it was like, at the end of it, 310 replies. And all I had to do was just take a screenshot of it and send it to them. And I think, well, first off, his team was really mad at me. They're like, we don't know what to do with all these people. I was like, answer them, right? They're interested.
Canned responses, like it's not that hard.
And then I like showed them that reply strategy, and ever since then, and he brought us on to solve a bigger problem, which was his sales were down. Like, so he has a pretty big business where if they're not making at least 30 sales of like, it's like a $2,200 program, he's like in the hole like 10 grand a week. Yeah. So if like to come in and be able to like quickly like kind of juice it up, say, hey, check this out, and like that's super exciting, and that helps. So if you guys ever find yourself in that kind of situation where you want to like have like a big pop, reply email is like a good way to like kind of juice it up. Obviously, you still have to perform as far as revenue wise, right? But that's like, at least that gives you some confidence. Like, okay, like we got something good going on. It's always good to like, baseball, like get that first base hit, and then at least you have, the rest of the things can go right if you follow through.
Yeah, good confidence.
Yeah, you just have to like get a big win for them right away, and then they're happy, and then they're going to stay for month 2 and 3 and 4 and so forth. And your retention on these, especially if you're getting decent clients. So like at the beginning, usually you're going to have a few bad clients because you're new. But after you get those out of the way, like you should be retaining people for like 3, 4, 5, 6 months, like at least. Like we've had some clients for 2 years, and they don't ever look at their email. They just know they're going to make money.